As our society gains understanding towards the importance of early disease treatment, the demand for rapid and accurate diagnostics has been rising exponentially. Never before where the detection of analytes can be done automatically until the development of chemiluminescence immunoassay. Chemiluminescence immunoassay is a method to determine the concentration of a sample according to the intensity of the luminescence that a chemical reaction emits. It can be used to estimate analytes, including hormones, serological markers, and drugs that are present in the blood at a low concentration. Chemiluminescence immunoassay is automatically analyzed with chemiluminescence immunoassay analyzer, providing quantitative data for fast and effective disease management. It has a wide range of applications. With only one machine, it can aid the detection of analytes for infectious disease, cardiac markers, cancer markers, chronic disease, and fertility. Chemiluminescence immunoassay analyzer is the most up-to-date analyzer technology, which is more advanced than a manual ELISA. It is able to test up to 180 tests per hour and only takes 12 minutes for time to the first result. Most importantly, the machine is user-friendly. Technicians can easily and rapidly learn how to use the machine and operate it. The analyzer power is further synergized with SG Diagnostics COVID-19 Neutralizing Antibody Assay, the first ever automated neutralizing antibody analyzer. Antibody tests can be distinguished into two kinds: direct binding assay, which detects total binding antibodies, non-neutralizing antibodies that are unable to prevent infection. Competitive binding assay, which detects neutralizing antibodies, antibodies that bind to the cell-free virus and prevent it from infecting cells. Our neutralizing antibody assay is a competitive binding assay, which is more beneficial in indicating immunity against COVID-19 compared to a direct binding assay. Prediction of an individual's immune protection through antibody tests will be essential in smoothly transitioning our society to life after the pandemic. The kit comes with everything you need for either 50 or 100 tests. Just collect a blood sample and test it with the analyzer. It will automatically calculate from the calibration curve to quantify the amount of SARS-CoV-2 neutralizing antibodies in the sample. Discover the power of chemiluminescence immunoassay analyzer, an intelligent, efficient, and user-friendly technology.